Hello friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for Standard 8th English Medium subject English Grammar. Friends, today we are going to discuss about our grammar's new topic. The name of this topic is preposition. Okay, this topic we already learned in Standard 7th. So this is very easy to us about the understanding. What is the meaning of preposition? What is the definition of the preposition? That thing we learn or we understood firstly. What is preposition? A preposition is a word that links a noun, okay, pronoun or a noun phrase to some other part of a sentence. It shows the relationship along words in a sentence. Preposition is one kind of the word. Preposition is one particular word, okay, which links. Preposition is links with a noun, it links with a pronoun or a noun phrase to some other part of the sentences, and it is shows or you can say it shows the relationship among the words in the sentences. Okay, the relationship include direction. Which type of the relationship? Shown by the preposition. Okay, so relationship like direction, place, time, cause, manner and amount. These all type of the relationship which were cleared by the preposition. Okay, here given some example. Sita went to the market. Here to is preposition. Where Sita went? Sita went to market, which show direction. Okay, two word or two preposition show about the direction. Another example, they came by bus. They came by bus. Here by is preposition which shows the manner. By word is about the preposition. They came by bus. Okay, so by word shows in this sentence about the manner. In the upper sentence, to word is used to show about the direction. So preposition is a word which is used to show the relationship about the direction, place, time, cause or manner. In each amount, in different kind of the sentences, you can see the different type of use of the preposition. Simple preposition. Okay, simple preposition. Simple prepositions are short or little words that express relationship including those of space, time and degree. Some prepositions are short or a little. Some prepositions are short or little words. Okay, short or little words that express the relationship which the words which are used to express the relationship including space, time and degree, that are simple preposition. How it is used in the sentence and which are the simple preposition? Here given the list of the simple preposition. Which are the simple preposition? In, on, at, about, over, under, of, OFF of, OF of, for, to. These all are called simple prepositions. Okay. At is a common preposition. Okay. At is a common preposition with two main meaning. Okay. One including about the position in a space, or second it is used to point in a time. At word is used for, at preposition is used for two different situation or two different meaning, to showing two different kind of the meaning. First it is used to indicate about the position in space. Okay, which whatever the position of that particular person, particular thing, that is used to show that kind of the position. At word is used, and in another condition it indicates about a point in a time, whatever the time exact time is. Here given both the example indicate about the position in space. How we can use the at. My mom is sitting at the sofa. Okay, where your mom is sitting? His mom is sitting at the sofa. So at word is used to show the position and in the watching television. Now second sentence you can see the correct the sorry the consonant start at 6:30. Here in the sentence at word is used to show time. Okay, so at word is used to show the time at the evening. So this two different at are used two different kind of the meaning. Okay, now another like this by refers to position. By word is used to refer the position, way of doing something in taking the transport. Okay, while you are transporting something, okay, that particular situation you can use word by, or to refer about the position. Okay, way of doing. Here given example, they draw by my uncle's village. Okay, they draw by my uncle's village. The thief must have run away by the back door. Sorry, here by is show about the position. Okay, Tom goes to the office by metro. Here by word is used to taking of a transport. So by preposition is refer about the position, number one, way of doing something, number two, and in taking of transport, number three. So by word is used for three different situation. You can see this. Okay, now another preposition is for indicates a recipient of the beneficiary, a specific purpose, the intended result of an action. In three different situation, for word you can use. Here examples are there. I have bought a present for you. Okay, beneficiary, recipient of the beneficiary, for you. Okay, for another person, whatever the thing you are doing, you can use the preposition for. What are you looking for? Here showing about the special purpose. Okay, which kind for which purpose you are looking for? So for showing the purpose you can use for. And now intended result of an action. I will need a new jacket for the winter. Why you are purchasing? For the winter. Why you need? For the winter. So intended result you can use the preposition for. Okay friends, now number two is about compound preposition. Okay, number two is about the compound preposition. What is compound preposition? Compound preposition are generally formed by prefixing a preposition to a noun, an adjective or an adverb. Compound preposition are words. Okay, now compound preposition are generally formed by prefixing preposition. Prefixing means जो पहले आता है उसको कहते हैं prefixing preposition. Okay, here given that different kind of the example about the compound preposition: without, within, inside, outside, into, beneath, below, behind, between. These all are called compound prepositions. Okay, now here given the different kind of the use of the compound preposition. Number one is between. Okay, between indicates a separation of two things, a choice of together. If you want to choose one particular thing from two different things, you can use the word between. How? Here given the example. She sat between her two kids. Between two kids. Okay, so here given the separation about the two kids. The train will arrive between 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Oh, sorry, 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Between, so here given about the choice about whether it will come 11 or it will come 12. Okay, between 11 to 12 the train will arrive. The railway will run between the two capital cities. Okay, between two cities it is run. Okay, so this kind of the situation you can use the preposition between, indicate about the separation of the two things or a choice of together. Now another preposition is into. Into means inside. into का मतलब क्या होता है, inside और interior. okay, inside और interior of a direction towards against. okay, against किसी के खिलाफ में, किसी की तरफ, towards मतलब उसकी तरफ, against उसके खिलाफ, डायरेक्शन पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन शो करने के लिए ये into वर्ड है. इट इज़ यूज दिस काइंड ऑफ द सिचुएशन, different टाइप in inside, interior, okay, and interior of the direction, towards, against. For all the situation you can use the word into. He looked into the distance. Into the distance. She went into the building. okay, the car crashed into the tree. okay, so these all are word into used in a different kind of the situation. Now another preposition is also there, that is within. okay, within indicates length of time, less than a distance, not outside a place, possible, not exchanging the limits of something. So within words is indicate about the length of time, टाइम पीरियड की जो लेंथ होती है उसके लिए. लेस देन अ डिस्टेंस बराबर है कि डिस्टेंस जो है उससे कम क्या हो सकता है, नॉट आउटसाइड ऑफ अ प्लेस, पॉसिबल, नॉट एक्सटेंडिंग द लिमिट्स. in all this type of the situation the word within is used. I live within 3 miles of the main city. okay, 3 miles of the main city. I live within 3 miles of the live city. Here show less than a distance. He will return within a week. He will return within a week. Length of a time. okay, within a week time period is given. The teacher says that fear lies within us. So in this particular sentence you can see that the word within is used to teacher says that fear lies. So the not extending the limits of something. So the word within is used for different kind of the situations. Now phrasal preposition, another part of the preposition or another type of the preposition is about the phrasal preposition. Phrasal prepositions are formed by combining a verb with preposition. okay, phrasal preposition का मतलब क्या होता है, what is the meaning of phrasal preposition? Phrasal preposition are formed by combining a verb. Phrasal preposition are formed by combining a verb with a preposition. Phrasal prepositions are here given the list about the phrasal preposition. Which are the phrasal preposition which is used to which is used or which is formed by the combining a word? Because of, by means of, with regard to, on behalf of, instead of, in spite of, on account of, in opposition to, for the sake of. These all are phrasal preposition. Here given about the example of the phrasal preposition. okay, let's study about that example. In spite of his poor health condition he worked all night. In spite of, He acted according to the advice of the lawyer. According to, school was closed on account of heavy snowfall. On account of, he applied for leave because of illness. Because of, even in the course of the hardship, he remained cheerful. In the course of, he managed to succeed by means of the preservations to succeed by. Sujoy has come to collect the award on behalf of his brother. On behalf of, I found the absorbed in deep thought. Absorbed. The judge refused to grant him bail. Refused to. The lawyer was accused of taking a bribe. Accused of. So in different type of the sentences, friends, you see the phrasal preposition. Because of, by means of, with regard to, on behalf of, instead of, in spite of, on account of, in opposition to, for the sake of. This all are called phrasal preposition, which is used for different type of the situation in different type of the sentences. Okay, I explained this chapter about the preposition. Which type of the preposition we studied? Simple preposition number 1, compound preposition number 2, and number 3 phrasal preposition. Related to this video, exercise 5 examples are given here. I will send you this PDF. You have to write down this PDF in your notebook and also solve this exercise with the answer. Okay friends, I hope you can understand about the topic preposition. In our next video we will discuss about our new topic, new chapter. Okay friends, bye.